Greetings! Welcome to the cPanel tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to deploy your code automatically using the Git version control interface in cPanel and WHM version 124. This feature allows you to easily host Git repositories on your cPanel account and supports both push and pull deployment. Push deployment, or automatic deployment, is what we'll be talking about today. Git's version control software tracks the changes in a file system that multiple users can manage at the same time. Deployment moves those changes to production, or officially publishes them. Push deployment, or automatic deployment, can provide two main benefits. One, it automatically deploys changes so that you don't have to worry about running Git commands. Two, it prevents security debt. Let's talk about how automatic deployment prevents security debt. Let's say you're a web developer working with a designer, Alice, who you want to create new templates. You've never met Alice, so you don't just want to hand her the keys to your cPanel account. She could make a lot of changes that way. Instead, you can make a remote repository for your website and ask Alice to push her templates there. That way, you can pull the templates to look at them before you deploy them by pushing them to your cPanel managed repository. Think of this remote to local method like the two gates at a dog park. When you're ready to leave, you open one gate to let your dog into the waiting zone. Close the gate behind him, then only open the gate to the outside once you've got your dog's leash on. If you opened both gates at once, all the dogs could escape. If you only open the outer gate, if you didn't pull your dog into the waiting zone, you wouldn't get any changes at all. There's another kind of deployment called manual or pull deployment, but we won't be covering that today. I'll drop a link below so you can learn more about it. Instead, let's set up a cPanel managed repository for automatic deployment that prevents security debt. First, log into cPanel, then find the Git version control interface in the File section. Once we're here, we need to create a new, empty repository. You can learn more about how to do that in our main Git version control video. Check the video description for the link. When you've created your new repository, it's time to clone the remote repository to your local computer. You can do this on the command line of your local computer with the git clone command and your remote repository's clone URL. Clone URLs usually look something like this. So for this clone URL, I'd run this command. If everything's successful, I'll get a message like this. Now, I'll pull the remote repository so that I get a copy of all of its files on my local machine, then commit them without pushing. If you only want to use this interface to automate deployment and not prevent security debt, then you can skip this part about remote repositories and just commit the .cpanel.yaml file. The .cpanel.yaml file tells cPanel what to do when you push changes for automatic deployment. To use this file, cPanel needs it to exist in the top-level directory of your repository, not hidden away in a nested folder. It must be valid and start with these three lines. Add whichever commands you'd like cPanel to run as a list under tasks, like so, and commit it. Now you've committed your remote repository's contents, if you're using one, and your new .cpanel.yaml file. That's all the content that you want your cPanel hosted repository to initially deploy. Let's set your cPanel hosted repository to be the repository your local machine pushes changes to. In the Git version control interface, click Manage next to your cPanel hosted repository, then copy the clone URL. Now enter the following command using your clone URL. This will designate the cPanel hosted repository as the repository your local computer pushes changes to. You can check where you're pushing by running the git remote-v command. Remember, we just committed your .cpanel.yaml file and all your remote repository's contents. That means that when we run the git push command, everything we just pulled from the remote repository and your .cpanel.yaml file will be pushed to your cPanel hosted repository and deployed. Let's deploy by running the git push command. Perfect. Now, every time that you push to your cPanel managed repository, cPanel will use the commands in your .cpanel.yaml file to deploy your changes. You've successfully learned how to set up and use automatic deployment with the Git version control interface. For more information about cPanel, visit cPanel.net or follow us on social media. Thanks for watching and happy automating!